So we're going to do this again. I've done the one for the weekly. We're doing today's own. So alright guys, today is 21st Monday. 21st Monday, April 2024. So I think I will just dive right to it. So if you have anything, we just refer back to the weekly videos. Um, okay, let's see. Okay, so let's start with the monthly. We identified some key levels in a month, right? These are the key levels, the last low and the last high for the month. I went to the weekly. We did the same thing, right? Identify the key levels for the week, which is the last high and the last low. This last low has been broken, so we can say we're still continuing the downtrend. We can say we're in a downtrend, right? So what else did we do? We flipped the last swing, and what did we get? We got that price rejected at it first it completed an AB equals CD pattern, right? And this is a rejection from 61.8. That's the second thing. And it's sorry, so on the weekly is yet to get here, right? It's yet to complete this move, this big bullish move. We don't know how long it's gonna take. It might take months, it might take, we're not too sure, right? But so far, after this strong bearish move, there's a bullish move here, right? So that's the structure you're expecting it to do what? To form. So let's keep this zone in mind. I'm gonna give it on that color. I won't confuse it with others. I'm gonna give it light steel blue. Right, so moving on to the daily. Right, so we identified the swing for the daily, which is this guy. The last swing is this guy. Right, this one has been broken. This is the last high. This is the last low. The last has been broken, so we're still confirming that on the daily we're on a bullish trend. Right, so still keeping this guy in mind. Just keeping this guy in mind. Let me take this one out. I think this too. Leave this guy there. So on the daily, sorry about this. On the daily, two things happened. Two things happened. Same thing that happened on the weekly also happened on the daily. What do I mean by that? This last swing, right? If I can see it, this last AB equals what CD, right? It has been completed, and this was a 61.8 for this move, right? This is a 61.8 for the move, which was rejected, and it's completed the AB equals CD. So now we flipped the last swing, the last downswing, because this is the last high and this is the last low too, right? This is the last low for the daily, which we're trying to hoping will break and continue. So for current, the price is turning around, and we're expecting it to do what? To get to this 61.8 and continue and do its own AB equals CD, which means we're expecting price here. Remember, this is the what? This is the zone from the daily. This is the CD AB equals CD for this guy. So you can see everything is in par. So what will I be looking for now? I'll be looking to take buys here at this 61.8. When we've seen rejection at this 61.8, we'll be looking to take what sells up to this point, break this guy and come to this point. Remember, we're looking at this for weeks. We don't know how long this will play. This is only daily. So remember, imagine how many candles it will take to get here, come back down, do some other sideways movement, and get there. We don't know how long this is going to play out, but this is what you might see from analysis next week. I might just edit the video and say this is still week 17, this is still week 18. So this is what we have for today. So this is meant video is meant to be short. It was not as in depth as this. I didn't get up. I stopped at the daily. I didn't do this up to. I didn't do up to this on the daily. So I think I'll just trim it. Right. I'll replace the other video. So this is what we have so far. So let's break down what we might expect for Monday out of all this information we have. What are we going to do? We are going to repeat the same process again, right? We are going to identify the last swing on the what on the 4 hour, right? This is the last swing, the last high, sorry, and this is the last low. So what's happening here? Should we fib again? So remember, right? Remember, we're looking to take move we're looking to take what? Take a buys up to this point. So on the H4, this is what we have so far. We're expecting this guy to be broken. We would have fibbed this guy, right? That's what I'm saying. We would have fibbed this guy. But as you can see, price did a up to almost the zero level again, right? So we can't really fib it. But what are we saying? What's our exercise? We're looking to take buys. We don't know how it's going to happen. For us to get confirmation on how the buy is going to happen, let's get here. So this is what we're going to do. The chart is becoming very messy. So having this in mind, we're trying to do the one for today, which is Monday. Having this in mind, this is where it really gets tricky. So having this in mind, we're going to for 4 hours to determine the pattern price would make. Right, I'm going to have to delete everything. Well, not necessarily everything, but most things, because we've established what we want to establish, which is that we're taking a buy to that fib level. So let's draw it again. I think that's the only thing we need. This is the fib of the last daily swing, right? So we've identified our last. Okay, it's not even this one safe. Okay, no, this is a 4 hour. This is a 4 hour swing. So we have that. We have this. We're going to do another one, which should be this mid level. So we're going to call this a zone. This is a 4 hour. What's going on now? This is where price stopped on Friday. So why am I drawing this? These are the places where we expect price to react. So once again, I don't know how this would play out. Only mapping possibilities. So this being done, I can't honestly price this stuff that I did rejected this point. So okay, so this is what I have in mind, because it's broke. It's broke. This broken this 4 hour or 1 hour zone, sensitive zone, and it's rejected it. right? This is what we are expecting. Let me even check if there's any news to boost this move or this. So this is what we're expecting for Monday. This is what we're expecting for Monday, guys.